A different perspective on the world of the best Thai cuisine can be found in Thai sweets. Indulging in these sugary sweets takes foodies on a fascinating and never boring culinary excursion while also expanding their palates. We've compiled a list of the top Thai desserts you should absolutely try if you're out on the streets searching for a variety of mouth-watering treats. To savor these sugary treats, watch till the end and do like, comment, and subscribe. Why are Thai desserts particularly special? Desserts called Khanom Wan Thai are a necessary way to conclude a dinner in Thailand. They are meant to be shared at the dinner table by all of the diners. In addition to flour, sugar, and coconut, eggs were first used by the Portuguese, who also introduced other ingredients that are now staples in Thai desserts. Other typical ingredients in Thai sweets are mung beans, rice flour, glutinous rice, lotus seeds, palm sugar, and cassava root. Thai sweets highlight the significance of particular ingredients in this stunning nation's history and culture. Because of this, sticky rice is frequently used as the primary component in desserts that feature fresh fruits like guava and mangoes. Since most Thai cuisines do not place a strong emphasis on intricacy, the simplest Thai sweets are frequently the greatest. Thai desserts are distinguished by their distinct aroma. Thai people have a custom of making syrups out of the infusion of fragrant flowers like jasmine soaked in water. It follows that some people could regard Thai delicacies to be excessively sweet. The primary sources of sweetness are sugars like honey, coconut sugar, and palm sugar. Palm sugar and coconut sugar each contribute a distinct flavor to food, in contrast to refined white sugars used in Western cuisines, which are mostly utilized for sweetness. Number 10. Khao Neo Mamuang, mango sticky rice. Considered Thailand's national dessert, mango sticky rice, or khao neo mamuang in Thai, is served at nearly all Thai restaurants. Delicious mangoes are served over sticky rice in khao neo mamuang. Mango season in Thailand spans from March to May. Mango Nam Dok Mai is the most widely consumed cultivar in Thailand and around the world. It is typically juicy and sweet. An earlier cultivar known as ok rong, which is prized for its more fibrous texture and smell, is used traditionally to make mango sticky rice. Sticky rice is the second essential component of this delicacy and is strongly linked to Thai culture overall. Coconut milk is used in the cooking of sticky rice to give it its distinct flavor. Number 9. Khao Niao Durian, Durian sticky rice. Durian sticky rice, or khao niao Durian, is a traditional Thai dish that is particularly beloved by durian enthusiasts. Pile fluffy sticky rice with a delectable coconut and durian sweet mix. It is a cozy dessert. Some regions have a dish where enormous chunks of durian are filled with steamed sticky rice, covered with steamed green beans, and then drizzled with coconut milk. Even asking for cream on top is an option. In the categories of traditional Thai sweets and durian desserts, khao niao Durian is considered one of the best desserts. The fruit's sweet flavor and the sticky rice go well beautifully with the milk's creamy smoothness. Take into account the sticky rice's quality, sweetness, and scent while judging the quality of your khao niao Durian. Number 8. Coconut ice cream. Thailand's environment is perfect for indulging in cool treats like coconut ice cream. This dessert is served in a coconut, not a bowl or glass, which is what makes it special. To begin, the vendor splits an unpeeled coconut in half. After that, he scrapes out all the copra and reserves it for later. Together with a number of additional components like fresh copra, peanuts, jaggery, varied jelly, young corn, and chocolate chips, the prepared coconut cream is manufactured from coconut milk, sugar, and vanilla. Number 7. Ruam mitt, Thai fruit soup with coconut milk. Ruam mitt is a popular and delicious delicacy that you simply must have when visiting Thailand. Although it may be found anywhere, the Chatuchak market is the most well-known location. A variety of fruits including dragon fruit, watermelon, mango, durian, and jackfruit are combined in this sweet Thai soup, accompanied by coconut milk, Along with many additional components, some locations also add fruit jelly and peanuts. Visitors are captivated by its vibrant and eye-catching presentation alone. Number 6. Tub tin grob, red ruby. Thai desserts like red ruby dessert or tub tin grob are created with coconut cream and water chestnuts and are sweet and refreshing. It's a creamy, somewhat nutty, crispy treat that you can have every day. Water chestnuts that have been crisped up and lightly dusted with bright red tapioca flour are used to make this delicacy. Presenting with a serving of fresh, white coconut milk, they resemble exquisite rubies. The guests' taste buds will be delighted by the combination of the aromatic sweetness of chestnuts and the creamy taste of coconut milk. In Thailand, this dessert is available at most eateries and food carts. Number 5. Kanom krok, Thai coconut pancakes. Kanom krok, a tasty sweet coconut pudding, is a common breakfast snack in Thailand. Rice flour, sugar, and coconut milk are the primary ingredients. This is a street food specialty that's easily accessible at Thai markets or little alleyways on carts. Rice flour and coconut milk are combined in precise amounts and cooked over charcoal to form a kanom krok. Number 4. Sankaya phak thong, Thai pumpkin custard. The Sankaya phak thong, a Thai pumpkin custard, is incredibly cute. This is a specialty of Thailand that combines a delectable egg custard mixture with pumpkin. This dish is well liked by guests because of its rich, creamy, and sugary texture. Number 3. Khao Tom Mad, banana and coconut milk sticky rice rolls. Not only is this a classic Thai dessert, but it's also found in Laos, home to millions of elephants. Known by another name, stuffed sticky rice, or khao tom mad, is a street food favorite in Thailand. The delectable sweet sticky rice cakes known as khao tom mad are steamed in banana leaf packets after being filled with black beans and bananas. There are over 20 varieties of bananas in Thailand, but this recipe uses the smaller, sweeter red bananas. After that, they are cleverly connected with strings made of shaved bamboo and sold wrapped in banana leaves. Number 2. Luk chup, Thai mung bean desserts in the shape of a fruit. Luk chup is a wonderful treat that, due to its sweetness, is sometimes mistaken for a cake or candy. It comes from Portugal and is colorful, prepared with coconut milk and green beans. Number 1. Thai roti, Thai pancakes. Indian immigrants brought the roast or roti to Thailand many years ago. This particular type of pancake is typically consumed as dessert. You can eat it plain with sweetened condensed milk or dress it up with chocolate, bananas, or other toppings of your choosing. So which of these have you tried before? Tell us in the comments below. If you're new to our channel, then do subscribe to us before leaving. Thanks for watching.